I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how addition and subtraction is done in second grade because I know it's not stacked and that's how we were taught as kids. And so it's a little confusing. But in order to help Preslea, I wanted to make sure that she and you both knew the proper way to practice. She'll learn the stacked, but it's not till next year. And this strategy will help her learn place value a little bit deeper and utilize a hundreds chart. So I'm going to give you a couple examples and then you'll be able to help her with anything. When we add in second grade, we use a variety of strategies. We can use a hundreds chart, or we can use base 10 blocks, draw pictures, sometimes number lines, not our favorite. But anyway, let me just show you the proper way to show them on a hundreds chart first. So if you're going to add 2-digit by 2-digit numbers, because that's where it gets tricky for her, because she can do 1 by 1, and that's easy because you just count on the hundreds chart. 6 plus 7, I start at 6 and add 7. That's easy peasy. But when we have like 23 plus 19, that's a little bit trickier. So what we do is we label ones and tens, ones and tens, and you always start with the bigger number. So out of these two numbers, 23 is the bigger number. Okay, right there. Okay, so we start on 23. When we add, we go down for tens and to the right for ones. We go down and to the right. That's what we sing. Down and to the right. So we're going to go down this number. We're going to split this number and we're going to go down and to the right. We're going to go down one, bloop, and to the right 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 42. Okay, so that is how we add 2 by 2. Now we have gone a long way from that, and let me show you a little problem that we did today that you can use 2 strategies. You can use base 10 blocks. The hundreds chart may not work, which probably won't work. Base 10 blocks, or you can use this place value chart. So let's do 192 plus 123. Okay, so this is the strategy we learned today. I teach them, always label your numbers so you know what place value they are. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then we make a hundreds chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. If we look at both our ones, we add both our ones together. 3 plus 2 is 5. Done with ones. Let's go to tens. We always start with ones. Tens. 9 plus 2 is 11. Get rid of that. Okay. Then 100. 2. Now we can never have more than 9 of any place value. So with this one, we have too many. We take the tens place always and move it to the left. Tens place moves to the left every time. Nothing ever moves that way. Always to the left. So this 1 will be added to the 2. The 1 goes away. The 2 becomes a 3. The answer is 315. Okay, so that is one way to do it. You could 192 plus 123. You could teach it like this. If it makes more sense for her, which I think the chart makes more sense for Preslea. You could do it like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Start with ones always. How many ones do we have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out the ones. Tens, we have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and then how many hundreds? We have 2. 1. These represent base 10 blocks. Okay, so if we know we have way too many of these, so we got to group 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These